Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi and I am here to demonstrate how I use the Cocoa Shine 100% natural teeth whitening powder, which is made from the activated charcoal. So it looks like this. Focus. There we go. So I was sent this by Cocoa Shine to try out and share with you my take on it, or my feelings on it. So far I've been using it for about 2 weeks now and I love it. I was sent the powder as well as the toothbrush, and you use these together. Also, what was sent inside of the package that I received was a discount code that I'll share with you in a second, so stay tuned. And here are the steps. So it says, step 1, wet your toothbrush with water. You're gonna dip your toothbrush in the whitening powder, as well as brush your teeth for 2 minutes and rinse, and then show off your white smile. And then it says step 5, get featured on our page with the Pamper Me Cocoa. So if you decide to purchase this and try it out, you just want to share that hashtag Pamper Me Cocoa. So let's get right to it. I already have my brush wet and I'm just going to open up the powder. Be mindful that it can get a little messy because of how it is inside of the jar. It can get on your clothes, so make sure that when you brush your teeth, you don't want to be wearing anything that will get the charcoal powder on it. So this is what it looks like. I don't want to tilt too much because I don't want it to pour out, but you just want to dip that toothbrush right in there and just try to tap off the excess powder, and it's going to go right on that toothbrush and you're just going to brush. So here we go. Okay guys, so I'm back. I rinsed my mouth and here are my results. Nice and clean. So yeah, it was very simple and easy to use. I love that it is natural, it is healthy, because a lot of toothpaste products contain chemicals, nasty chemicals, and things like fluoride that are not healthy for us. So I am so happy that I got a chance to use the activated charcoal, because it has been something that I've wanted to use for a while. So thank you, Cocoa Shine, for contacting me and allowing me to try your product, and I hope that you guys would try it too. And so it says, welcome to the Cocoa Club, babe. Here's a 20% discount code for you to share with your besties, or keep it to yourself, but I'm gonna share it. So the code to use is share20 for the 20% off discount. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.